Hello, I'm Damon, Sales and Engineering Director of Panko Hardware. Today I'm going to show you how to install this stainless steel invisible type tensioning cable kits. This video I will show you this bevel part installation and that horizontal part installation. Also, I will visit these two parts together. So here we go. This start part, we will use this tensioning cable kit and this bevel ring. And this part, we will use this thread pin and locking ring and the rubber. First step, we insert the cable through the starting post and here. And the second step, we install this thread pin part firstly. Now, we insert this thread pin into the cable. And then, we insert this locking ring into the cable. And then don't forget to remake about 5 mm space cable here because it's better to lock in the ring. And now we use the hydraulic crimper to crimp it down. Use the number 8 mold, 8 square meter mold. Then crimp it down. And then release this down. Okay. Now this part is locked very well. And then insert this rubber into the thread pin. Now come in here. Now it's finished. Now it's already locked. And the third step, we use a pen to mark this part of the first post. After we mark this part, and then this is very important. We lose this thread pin part, lose it out, and make it here. So this is the mark just now we make. And then we put the locking section head to match it. And then to mark the carton mark. And this fully position, we have to stay out of the first post, not stay into this post. Have to this face. And then we mark the cutting mark. And then we cut it.
Please attention that we are cutting the second mark, not the first mark.
Now we insert this locking section. Use the hydraulic crimper to crimp it down. Let the cable ending touch the thread pin ending. Now we can crimp it. Okay. Then release this down. And then we crimp it twice. Just now we crimp the ending, now we crimp the head, so it can be more safe and strong. Okay, finish. Now this is the tensioning part. We insert the bevel ring in it and then twist it. We don't need to twist it fully, the thread part, just twist it a little part, because later we have to tension it. And now we fix it this part back. Okay. Now this part, we can start to twist it. Now we keep this cable stable and use the Allen key to tension it in. Okay, now finished. Just now, why we have to cut the cable out of the first post? Because this hole is only can go through the cable size. This locking section cannot go it from this hole, and this hole is bigger, so it can go through this part. So we cut it like that, and even we make this hole bigger, but if it's bigger, it's not looking good. So we make a small hole. Even we put a plate cover, the plate cover cannot cover it very good, very nice. So we do it like that. Now I will show how to fix this horizontal part. Insert the cable from here first, and then same as the bevel part. Insert the thread pin and the locking ring and the rubber ring. We make some space for limping. Same as this part, fit this thread pin into the post. Now pull the cable, mark the cable, tensioning section here. This is the mark just now we make. Now mark the cutting mark. You can we made about 5 mm or 1/4 inch space to make the cutting. So this is the cutting mark. And then we will crimp it the locking section down. So the cable, let the cable end then touch the thread part ending. Now we crimp it. Okay, now so now we visit this part. This is the tensioning tube and this is the tensioning section. You can see here is the tensioning space. If you want a more tensioning space, you can crimp this section more left side. Okay, so now we start to visit. Now you may have a question why I have to separate this installation into two parts. One is this bevel part, the other one is this horizontal part. Because I want to show you different install situations. If your stair only has this bevel part, then same installation like me. But if your stair part situation is the same as this sample, as the bevel part and the landing part. Actually, now you can using two parts also using the tensioning cable kit. Now this cable can just now already installed. Now I will show you this installation. So now two parts is the tensioning cable kit. But there is one important point. If your landing part is more than 1.5 meter, this part more than 1.5 meter, I strongly recommended you can separate the installation into two parts. Because if your this landing part is more than 1.5 meter, the tensioning effect is not so good. So I strongly recommend you, if this landing part is more than 1.5 meter, you can separate the installation into two parts. So now I finished the tensioning of this part. Okay. Now I will finish other cable installation. This monogeneous steel stair sample, we also visited with LED lights. The chat is white oak. We are a China manufacturer. We can offer customized railing surface and customized steel staircase surface. We can export our goods to all over the world. The materials of this railing is stainless steel 316. We can also make it stainless steel 304. And the part size is 2 inch by 2 inch. The surface finish, we can make it satin finish like this. Also, we can make it mirror finish or powder coated finish. The powder coated finish, mostly the client like black color. You can check our website to know more information. There is more other railing design and staircase design in it. You can click the menu button to know more. If you like them, you can send the inquiry to us. There is an inquiry format at the end of each page. The start mark information is necessary. After receive your inquiry, our sales will contact you in 24 hours. Waiting for your inquiry. See you.